Hey guys, welcome back to Binging with the Beast, and I'm gonna eat some pizza and talk about the whole Punisher thing. Punisher logo thing. Apparently, people were calling for the Punisher logo to be changed or removed after the whole Capitol attacks, because a lot of people were wearing his skull and stuff. If a lot of those people read this story about Frank Castle, what that logo stands for, they are misguided, in my opinion. And I read a lot of comics. Like, Punisher is my favorite anti-hero. And cancel that because of misguided people, that's so fucking wrong. That's just my opinion. Hey, you don't have to agree with me, disagree, I don't care. But the fandom of the Punisher knows the story about Frank Castle and what that logo represents. Some misguided people were wearing that thinking it's cool without knowing the story. I suggest to those people who wore that, read the story. And to SJWs out there, just because you saw a clickbaity thing, do some research on the story, the background of Frank Castle, then construct an opinion. Don't just judge it like that. Good pizza. Stay beastie, people.